A particle P is moving along OX with an acceleration of negative 5 plus 2v meters per second squared at time t seconds when its displacement from O is x meters and its speed is v meters per second. When t is equal to 0, x is 0 and v is 10. Find the value of t and the value of x when v is equal to 5. Okay, let's start with doing the t. So we've got a is equal to negative 5 plus 2v, and that means that I can use dv dt is negative 5 plus 2v. Separate and integrate, so we get the integral of 1 over 5 plus 2v dv is equal to the integral of negative 1 dt. And that will give me a half ln 5 plus 2v is equal to negative t plus a constant. Now we have v is equal to 10 when t is equal to 0. So that would give me a half ln 25 is equal to c. And therefore t, I'm just going to take t onto the other side, is going to be equal to c, which is a half ln 25, take away a half ln 5 plus 2v, which we can write as a half ln 25 over 5 plus 2v. So if v is equal to 5, t is going to be a half ln 25 on 5 plus 10, which is 15, giving us t is equal to a half ln 5 over 3. Okay, let's move on to the x part. It's a bit more difficult because of the integral we get. We're starting with a is equal to negative 5 plus 2v, and this time we're going to use v dv dx is negative 5 plus 2v. Separate and integrate, and we get the integral of v over 5 plus 2v dv is equal to the integral of negative 1 dx. Now let's think about that integral, the one on the left hand side, v over 5 plus 2v. We could do this using a substitution. U is 5 plus 2v, and that means that v is equal to u minus 5 over 2. du dv would be equal to 2, and that means that 1/2 du is equal to dv. So we can now substitute, and we get the integral of u minus 5 over 2 divided by u, 1/2 du, which we can simplify as 1/4 of the integral of u minus 5 over u du. And we can simplify that to 1/4 of 1 minus 5 over u du, just splitting the fraction. And that gives us 1/4 of u minus 5 ln u, plus a constant, we won't worry about that. And so substituting back, that is 1/4 of 5 plus 2v, take away 5 ln 5 plus 2v. And so what we get is, remember we've got to substitute back to here where we've got that 1/4 5 plus 2v, take away 5 ln 5 plus 2v, is equal to negative x plus c. X equals 0 when v equals 10 gives us that the constant would be 1/4 of 25 take away 5 ln 25. And so going back to here, moving the x onto the other side, would give us that x is equal to 1/4 of 25 take away 5 ln 25, take away 1/4 of 5 plus 2v, take away ln 5 plus 2v. And we want x when v is equal to 5, so that is going to be 25 on 4, take away 5 on 4 ln 25, take away, so if v is 5, that bit's 15, so that will be 15 on 4, and then plus 5, oh I missed the 5 out there, there we go, just that one there, 5 over 4 ln 15. And so what we get, 25 over 4 take away 15 over 4 is 10 over 4, which is 5 over 2. And then using a log law, we have 5 over 4 ln 25 over 15, going from those two terms there. And that simplifies to 5 on 3